Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enhance your image in Canva using AI Upscaler feature. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Canva application on my mobile phone, and the first thing we're going to do is clicking on the three lines on the top left. Then we have to click on all apps right here, and you have to scroll down a little bit until you find the image upscaler. This one, guys, just click on this option, and here you have two options. You can choose your existing design or your new design, and I'm gonna go with this new design. And for instance, I'm going to create Instagram post, so I'm just going to click on this option. Okay, and you can choose a file or choose a photo you want to enhance. You can click on choose file, and for instance, I'm just going to choose file from my gallery. I'm gonna go with this photo, guys. Just click on the photo, and here we can choose the upscale amount. I'm just going to select the highest amount, the 8 times. I'm just going to click on it, then we can click on upscale image. Okay, and this is the before and after, guys. This is the comparison, and we just need to add this photo to our design like this, and we have to fit this photo to the ratio. Okay, I'm just going to go back to my design. Okay, this is my design, and I'm going to zoom the photo like this to fit the screen or to fit the ratio like this. Alright, and now it's done. And then I'm just going to download this photo. We can click on this icon. Then I'm just going to click on download. Okay, then you can choose the file type, and I'm gonna go with this one, guys. Then we can click on download. Alright guys, and that's how you can enhance your image in Canva using AI Upscaler feature. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.